Hey guys, this is a gaming PC build for $700 from Tech Reloaded for February 2015. Let's get right into the build. The CPU is Intel Core i5 4460. It's a quad-core CPU. All cores are powerful. That is, the four cores are very much powerful and can handle any game smoothly in medium to high settings. Even the upcoming titles can be played without breaking a sweat. Slight video editing is possible without any problem. It's for $190 only. This CPU is not the top of the line CPU, but it's the CPU that you get mostly for gaming. That is, you can keep it right in middle of the higher end and the lower end CPUs out there and compare their performances. You will notice that this is the best as compared to its price. Let's move on. Asus Strix GTX 960 is the GPU for our build. It has new GM206 architecture with 1024 CUDA cores. It has one DVI, HDMI and 3 display ports. It supports G-Sync. G-Sync is a technology that improves your gaming experience while syncing your monitor and GPU together. Boost clock of 1178 MHz, 2 GB of GDDR5 memory for $210. It's the best bang for your buck from Nvidia. The motherboard is Gigabyte GA B85M-D3H LG1150 socket for obvious reasons. 32 GB of 1600 MHz RAM is supported. It supports two-way SLI and USB 3.0, which is in $100 motherboards, but this is only a $82 motherboard. Moving on, Kingston X HyperX Fury 8 GB kit. The specific model is HX316C10 FB K2/8. It supports 1600 MHz base clock speed, which can be overclocked. Dual channel provides slight performance improvements with better speeds than single channel. Cache latency, that is CAS latency of 10, which is good. For $74, it's fairly a cheap RAM. Talking about the RAM further in, it's the best RAM you can get for your money, as always, and it has pretty damn good looks. See, seeing that it's in our build, it will go with a black and gray color scheme. It's great for our build. The PSU is Corsair CX430, 80 plus bronze certified, low noise airflow due to new 120 fan. Only $43. There's nothing much to say about it. Corsair is a reliable brand and you can always trust it. Western Digital Caviar Blue 1 TB hard drive. It's a reliable brand, fast enough, that is 700 and I'm sorry 7200 RPM. It has plenty of storage of 1 TB for $55. 1 TB is more than enough for games today and in near future with all the mild video editing softwares, videos, and all that kind of good stuff. The cabinet is Antec VSK 4000E ATX case. It's made out of steel. It has room for 4 fans, that is, one in the rear, one in the front, and two on the sides. It's a standard ATX case only for $36.59. Now we come to the total. The CPU for rupees 190, GPU for 210, motherboard for 82, RAM for 74, 43 for PSU, hard drive for 55, case for 36.59, and total comes to 691. Please subscribe it, like the video if you liked it, dislike the video if you dislike it. Comment down below if your feelings are more complicated. Links to all I talked about will be in the description. Once again, guys, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. If you want to view my previous video, click the picture.